Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on data analysis. In today's video, we will be covering the basics of data analysis, including its importance, understanding data types, and importing data from different sources. Data Analysis Tutorial, Part 1. We cover all these topics. Introduction to data analysis and its importance. Understanding the data types, numerical, categorical, ordinal. Importing data from different sources, CSV, Excel, SQL. Data analysis is the process of extracting insights and meaningful information from raw data. It is used in various fields such as business, science, and engineering, to name a few. The importance of data analysis lies in its ability to help make better informed decisions. It can reveal patterns, trends, and relationships in data that are not easily noticeable otherwise. Now, let's talk about data types. Data can be classified into different types, such as numerical, categorical, and ordinal. Numerical data is quantitative and consists of numbers. For example, age, height, and weight are all numerical data. Categorical data is qualitative and consists of labels or categories. For example, gender, color, and city are all categorical data. Ordinal data is a mix of numerical and categorical data. It consists of categories that can be ordered or ranked. For example, education level, income range, and satisfaction level are all ordinal data. Knowing the type of data is important because different analysis techniques and methods are used for each data type. Let's talk about importing data from different sources. Data can be stored in various formats, such as CSV, Excel, and SQL. CSV stands for comma-separated values and is a plain text file format that stores tabular data. It is commonly used for exchanging data between different software applications. Excel is a popular spreadsheet software that can be used to store and manipulate data. It is useful for small to medium-sized datasets. SQL stands for Structured Query Language and is a programming language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. It is useful for large datasets and complex queries. Importing data from these sources can be done using various tools and software programs. Summary. That concludes part 1 of this tutorial on data analysis. We covered the importance of data analysis, the different types of data, and importing data from various sources. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in part 2, where we'll dive deeper into data analysis techniques and methods. Thanks for watching.